Alright, just servicing this thing. The office below, they're saying it's making a bit of a weird noise, but apart from that, it's working sweet. So, let's have a look. Pretty dirty. That's 6 months. Okay, so this contactor has had a chatter, like a buzzing noise, for so long, and I keep telling them that we should replace it. They never want to because it still works. But yeah, that should be fixed. That should be replaced. Sorry, that's the whole purpose of the maintenance. Pretty sure one of these fans has been replaced recently, and the other one sounds. Alright, so I'm going to return with new filters. I'm going to quote them to replace this noisy contactor. And that's a new fan. That one's still old and it's a bit noisy. So I'll return to yeah, hopefully contactor, new condenser fan, new filters. I just got to open up this and make sure the belt tension's fine, grease it, and done. Maybe this is the noise I was talking about. What is that? Alright, I'm going to come back with potentially a new contactor, new condenser fan because they're both old and just noisy, new filters, and I'm going to come back with my grease gun. It's down in the van now, but I'm just going to come back tomorrow with all the stuff and give it a proper service. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. The reason I didn't bring like the filters now and whatever is just because I'm doing maintenance on this, but it's not like a regular thing. So it's just whenever they hear funny noises, they call me up. It's a bit weird, but yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and give it a bit of loving.